All right, on the left, I have the ECB chassis, and I'm doing these two trucks because they're going to be the closest in speed. My Tiny Titan is definitely the fastest. We have the Surpass 8600 kV motor in the Taz, and we have the Buzzsaw 50T brush motor with a 20-tooth pinion. This is the least required in order to run this truck as far as cost and all that. And we'll just see how fast they are, just as a comparison. All right, guys, ready, set, go. Oh, they're pretty close, actually. Set, go. Okay, so it's a little bit faster. I thought it was gonna be crazy faster. I know the Tiny Titan has the overdrive gears in it, so that would definitely make it faster. But the Buzzsaw isn't that much slower. For just being a brushed option you can get fairly inexpensively. It's pretty impressive. We have the Mofo RC Buzzsaw motor with the 20-tooth in the left, the Surpass 8600 kV with the Furtec Lizard ESC on the right. First one to cross the finish line here wins by hitting the jump. On your mark, guys. Get set. Cat is in the way. Cat is out of the way. Go. Oh, yeah. I don't even know who won that one. And Mark, get set, go. Oh, he missed the jump, so I think we give it to Taz. Watch the light. Watch the light. Oh, he won. Rush motor takes the lead and then destroys the whole track. Ready? Watch the light. Oh, I don't know. That was photo finish. Back to replay. All right, are you guys ready?
Yep.
Watch the light. That one goes to Avenger.
Ha!
All right, let's reset them. Drivers ready? Watch the light.
I have better reaction time. That's the key.
Reaction time of the Avenger. All right, let's get it back up. Both ready?
Yep.
And watch the light. Oh, Taz got some air.
But I
totally missed the jump. Oh, big jump on that one. All right, switch lanes. Drivers ready?
Yep.
Watch the light. Oh, Avenger sneaks it out.
Switch trucks.
Oh yeah, let's do that. Let's switch trucks. See what happens.
Wait,
It could be reaction time. Switch it up. Dominic is now the Avenger truck. Ready? Watch the lights.
Wait. There.
Watch
Hey,
the light. You got a little head start. Back up just a little bit. There you go.
You just snuck
You
it back.
snuck it all the way back up. Back it up, dude.
Yeah, that's good.
No.
Nah, you're too.
You got at least an inch on me.
Oh, come on.
Yeah,
There.
it's totally.
That is ridiculous.
Ready? Watch the light. Oh, Avenger won it. Dominic took one with the Avenger. All right, ready, guys?
Yeah.
Watch the light. Whoa, big jump on that one. And they both crashed. So, it comes down to more than who just has the fastest motor.
Brought to you by Naked Baby with a Stick.
Naked Baby with a Stick Racing. Watch the light. Oh, he got a big jump on that one.
Give me my truck back, you fool.
So not all things are equal. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Oh, that was close.
Ooh,
Replay.
Ooh.
We're going to give that one to Avenger. And we're lined up one last time. One last time.
Nope, we can't.
Here, you, the slower one. Oh, battery fill? Oh, okay. We'll call it. Good racing, guys.